Hello everybody, today I'm here at the NYU Abu Dhabi Art Center with Professor Matteo Marciano. He's a world-class producer and professor of music technology. With Matteo, we collaborated for the new music that is going on board ASTROBEAT and that will be streamed from the International Space Station. Hi Matteo.
Hi Leonardo.
Would you like to introduce a bit yourself and give your opinion, your take about ASTROBEAT?
Sure. Well, first and foremost, thank you for having me. My name is Matteo Marciano. I'm a professor here at NYU Abu Dhabi, focused on music technology. I am a producer and a mixer. And within this project, the ASTROBEAT project, it was a very nice joint venture between my lab and record label here at NYU Abu Dhabi called Gazillion Records, which was responsible with the students to actually work on the amazing recordings of Leonardo for the project ASTROBEAT. Along with that, still through the record label here on the university, we have worked on with several composers on a competition that would allow students to actually win the opportunity to actually send their music in space along with Leonardo's composition. It was quite of an amazing journey because the overall process of organizing the recordings and making sure to meet Leonardo's expectations in terms of sounds was a very beautiful experiential learning for students. And what was even better or cooler was the fact that two of our students, Nadine and Summer, which actually was a visiting students from the NYU campus, won the competitions, and their compositions were going to be fluctuating and being transmitted from space along with Leonardo's composition. So very enriching project that thanks to Leonardo and the collaboration with NYU Abu Dhabi, we were fortunate to have here in our recording studio.
In fact, the recording experience here was amazing. We recorded two compositions, one of the one in collaboration with Tina Guo and Steve Mazzaro, Moonseeds, and the other one, Black Sun. And I would like you in a few seconds to mention the particularities for the recording of Black Sun, because in terms of technology used was a top-notch and very interesting your artistic approach for the technical aspects of this recording.
Sure. Well, what was very interesting was trying to capture the essence of the notes that Leonardo was playing. And the great thing about the project is that there were actually sounds coming from black holes that have been recorded through NASA. They were part of the composition. So our thought process was, how can we get closer to a sounds that comes from almost a visceral sounds that comes from that instrument. We, of course, use traditional microphone techniques along with some very experimental microphone techniques. We use microphones that are generally used to capture earthquake vibrations that are very interesting in terms of the dynamic range and the depth of sounds, along with some vintage microphones that have been purely altered in order to get the proper harmonic of the grand piano, the Stanway D that we have in our blue hole.
Thank you very much, Matteo. We can't wait to make you listen this music. Soon there will be the launch, so for now we have to wait. Thank you once again and see you up there.